Hi. I'm just recording because I have the hiccups. I just told Brittany they were going to disappear as soon as I turn on the video. Oh, never mind. I have the hiccups like a bitch right now. But I love them. I swear I haven't had the hiccups since 7th grade. They're so ugly, huh, Britt? Brittany's about to go to sleep. This is the worst. My hiccups haven't been this bad since literally 7th grade. And I always thought that I was so happy. I mean, because I love the hiccups. They're like really tiny bursts of surprises. You never know when it's going to come. And right now I have the hiccups like a bitch. But I'm happy because I love them. I'm kind of drunk. Maybe I ate too fast. I thought they went away. I was going to say I think they went away, but I guess not. My burps are, my hiccups are the worst. I'm trying. Can you tell? Today is February 4th now, because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Let's wait for another one.